Hi everybody, Jennifer Waller here. Hey, I wanted to come on today and I'm covering some of the unique things that I'm coming across that you can do actually to work from home. And I actually found, I went into Craigslist and found in the gig, actually labor section, I went under gig labor section, a company, basically what it's called is Sniff Spot. And what this entails is essentially you have a spot where dogs can come and congregate. In a way, it's sort of like a dog park, but obviously you're doing it at your home in your own location. If you have a little piece of property, if you have a yard, sometimes people have an apartment or a condo or whatever, the way they're situated, maybe they don't have a yard for their dogs to come to. And this is a way where a person could actually earn passive income. It's called Sniff Spot, and I'm actually going to include the link for it. And some of the hosts are actually, earning, I mean, this is some side money. So some of the hosts can earn, up to, let's say, $1,000 a month. I suppose if you have multiple dogs coming, to your lawn for the Sniff Spot, you can do more of that. And basically, they have your back. They've got the damage protection. They've got a $1 million liability protection policy. They vet, obviously. They check out all the dogs and the dog owners, and there's no cost to join. So it's free to join, and you're literally doing incremental work. In other words, there's going to be windows of time, like maybe Rover is going to be here from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. or, what have you. You obviously arrange that and you schedule that out. And these owners will pay you to allow the dogs to be in your space. So I thought this was really, really cool. Figured I would share it with you guys, and I am going to include the link in the description of my video. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel. And I like to share practical work at home, opportunities and or ideas for people that want to obviously generate income from home. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this, and I look forward to doing the next video. Take care.